My name is Space Boy. I like to shape shift.
You can shape shift into animals.
I fell down.
Can I see him?
I can shape shift into Fluttershy.
Oh, maybe the arms turn around because his arms turn around. Wow! Squishy!
What's up, YouTube? We are opening 57 toys. Let's go!
Alright, so before we open the blind packs, whoever can find the pizza that we got for dinner first gets to open the first one.
I think I already found this.
Nope. They're going downstairs. You think we hid the pizza downstairs? Lila, you think so too?
Is it in here? It is. No.
Oh wait, I see it.
Where? I think it's funny, that's like the last place you guys look. Guys, we got all these blind packs. Oh my gosh. 57 blind packs. Well, yeah, these ones aren't blind packs, but you know. Anyways, Kmart is closing. If you guys have a store around you, go. The whole store is on sale, and we got all of these super cheap. So, yeah. All right.
Let's get open. Yeah.
All right, so Kayla won the Find the Pizza Box Challenge, so she's going to go first.
Okay, let's see what I get.
Whoa.
She flies!
If I get the one you want, can we trade Kayla?
Maybe. Sure.
All right, I'll show the camera so you guys can keep going.
Oh my gosh! Look, she noticed. She looks exactly.
Hey! You got a little on your finger, but yeah!
My nails are kind of messed up.
It's okay, they're still beautiful. Okay, Lila, go ahead.
I know, she's beautiful. Okay. Oh, she got a little ballerina and a little Smarty.
I'm a nerd.
Michelle?
She's not that squishy though.
Oh, these are adorable. Oh my goodness.
Okay, Hailey's going down.
Hailey has been dying to open
did get
this
it.
emoji pack. What'd you get?
She got the one she's
I got the Pope.
You got a poop? This is what it is, guys. It's called a Buddies, and they're these little emojis.
This one is the yeah, we got a huge butt.
Oh my gosh, can I see it?
Oh, it does come with. Oh, it comes with all of them.
What?
Oh my gosh! So I'm still taking that one.
Oh my gosh, 3 come in 1 pack?
I want the one to get tongue.
It says LOL. It says LOL.
I want to see.
Come with little cards. We got a dozer. He's a sleeping guy. And a poop! Why has it got like a mint on it? Oh, it's a fly. I thought it was a mint. Wow. Okay, now we're just going to start opening 3 at once. So this is from one of the Animal Jam mini blind bags. This is what these look like. I've never seen these before. Maybe they've been out for a while. Yeah, they come with a code.
Just can't show you.
Right, we're not gonna show it, sorry.
Look, Stingra.
Ooh. But look, you get these magnets and you can put this on a fridge. And I guess elephants don't go underwater, but we're not sure. But it's adorable. I will. Hold on, let me show Kayla's first. And then Kayla got this cute little pet that came in there too. So that was a cool bag. Let's see what you got, Lila. A little present, girl. What are these called?
Giftums.
She's from Puerto Rico. Awesome. Oh, those are cute. And let's see, you got another Fluttershy, right? So we got another Fluttershy mashems. Kayla got a Giftums from Sweden. Adorable. These are so cute.
A present for you.
Oh my gosh. I don't want to break it. How do you do it?
Oh, you did break it. Look, her
Hailey's
hair.
is from the Netherlands. Lila's got a Giftums from Denmark. Look at these guys. They're so funny. Keep dropping them. There's a love one.
Ralph.
Oh, this one's gross.
Ralph's the barfing one.
I know.
Ralph.
Donnie is the money one.
He's barfing because he watched our little zombie guy video.
And the Romy is the love.
What's the money one's name?
The money one's name is Donnie.
And she's from India. Oh.
I got Mickey Mouse!
Ooh, let's see her.
Yeah, that was the one that she was supposed to.
Oh, she's got a cupcake.
It's cupcake.
Wow, she is beautiful.
Cupcake. That's what I got.
Sugar cake. Oh, Lyla. It's a zombie on fire. Oh, that is so cool. Look at this guy. And his arms and his legs moved and everything. Oh, it's a girl. Sorry.
Raven's a girl.
Are her arms backwards?
Yeah.
Are they supposed to be?
No.
We gotta do it back.
It's a dog.
It's so cool though.
Oh, you got these ones.
Oh my gosh. Can I see that? Oh, you guys are getting the coolest things.
My name is Beast.
What?
These two actually love each other in the show.
Oh, really?
My name is Space Boy. I like to shapeshift.
They can shapeshift in the
I
animal.
fell down.
Can I see him?
I can shapeshift into Fluttershy.
Oh, maybe the arms turn around because his arms turn around. Wow! Squishy!
I think
It's
me and Kayla
adventure
gotta do it.
time.
I think me and Kayla gotta do it again. But that's okay. At least
Does he come off the stand?
Yeah.
Yeah, he does. Cool. It's the same one.
Yeah, we got the same animal too.
You did? What? You got the same?
not this one, that one. This.
Okay, so you got different magnets, but they come with the same pack.
Yeah, you got the one I want.
I love the video game, guys.
It's BMO.
BMO?
BMO.
Ah.
Chinchio.
I want to
So
make her
cool.
chocolate.
Oh yay, I got a BMO.
We're getting some duplicates, but at least they're cool duplicates.
We got a BMO.
Did I get the BMO?
BMO and Finn Hammond.
I've been human.
You got one too.
Oh yeah.
Oh gosh, you opened
Give me
Charlie
more
Brown. Okay,
Adventure
this is Pac Mom's favorite. It's Charlie Brown. So yeah, pig pen.
I
Oh
ripped
my
my
gosh.
pants.
Oh, you got. Oh, this is awesome. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. See, guys, Pac Mom's got a friend that ripped her pants one time, just like this. So yeah, I always make fun of her and printed out Spongebob things for her. What is this one? Does she have pies? Perfect pie.
Sandy Cheeks.
Ooh, can I see that one? That one's cool. She's
Cheeks the one.
medieval, yeah. Wait, I like how her thing is like on half her head. Oh my gosh, Spongebob, you're awesome.
Guess what? I ripped my pants.
My name is Patrick. Mama, Snoopy.
You wanted Snoopy.
This one feels different.
Oh yeah, I got Rarity.
This one feels
The
different.
Patrick store. Okay.
Hey, give one of those to Lila. I like that guy. Give it.
Look at these guys. Oh my
I
goodness.
got Rarity.
Give me mine.
That is so funny.
Rarity.
She's a crystal rarity.
I didn't open three.
Look at her eyes. Ew.
Look at the little baby skeleton to spawn skeleton.
Oh, that is so cute.
And then I got Alice.
You found a duplicate? Wait, see, we already had this guy. We didn't just open him today, but we did already have Charlie Brown.
Okay, I don't think.
But you can never have too many Charlie Browns.
I don't
Because
know.
they're amazing.
I don't.
Okay, do it, do it, do it.
Mama!
Oh snap! We did.
You did? We have
Yes,
that?
I want
Yeah, I
it.
have this guy.
Oh, and then we got Mr. Krabs. He's awesome. So we just got Lucy from Charlie Brown and Peppermint Patty. And another Snoopy? This is a different Snoopy.
We got Royal Riff.
What?
Royal Riff.
Royal Riff. Is this a boy? It looks like a boy.
Yeah.
Cool. And then we got Sally. Oh, she's adorable.
Hit it!
Buff SpongeBob.
I'm silly.
That's awesome. Wow, guys, these SpongeBob ones are hilarious.
I like that one because he blows into his arms. To make
Yeah. And we got Franklin. We did have him already too, but again, you can never have too many of these Charlie Brown people. And then we got a Guardian of the Galaxies. This is Star-Lord, is that right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was mine. We don't have this guy.
There's only two that we don't have. I mean three. We don't have
those are
Squidward,
my
we
Minecraft
don't have the jellyfish, we don't have SpongeBob in armor.
These are a couple of more Minecraft guys we got. Ooh, good morning.
Where'd you open them from?
Puppy.
They're both calling each other.
They're calling each other? Cool. And then we got Schroeder. Woo!
I haven't got that much to open either.
Exploding zombie.
Here's a weirdo, and then
What is this?
I already got the witch in a blind pack.
The witch?
So, Kayla, you can have
These Minecraft
this
people are
witch.
funny looking.
I'll have this witch.
Look at this guy.
I got the silver buddy!
Oh, wow! Cool! Oh my gosh!
It's a fat kitty cat.
He's that fat cat! And then Kayla got this Nova guy.
Nice.
Cool. Oh, Kayla, cool Minecraft guys. Those are awesome. What are those called? Oh!
I just knew it was.
Oh my goodness! This is the best. I don't know. They're all the best SpongeBob.
Can I have
Did we get all of them?
her?
What are we missing?
We are missing 3 from the top. SpongeBob, the jellyfish, and Squidward.
And then we got these little Minecraft guys. This one's cute. Is this like a square little egg?
Hi, my name is Steve.
What is that? Ah!
Look at it like that with Spider.
I don't want it. Nope, nope, not touching that
And
again.
then you got a pig in a cart.
A pig in a cart? Gosh.
Yeah, those things make me angry. When I try to go on a roller coaster, they just sit in my cart.
Oh, that is so funny.
They
Why?
make me so